everybody, and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this February the 28th. It's a beautiful day again. We had some cold weather last week, but today is 62 degrees, and spring is really coming quick. Tomorrow's March, so that means it's time to cut back the lamb's ears. I like to cut them back every spring. I've had these here for about 4 years. I couldn't grow anything on this side of the house because of lack of sun. As you can see right there, this area gets a lot of shade because it's between two houses and just the way the sun is, I guess. Anyway, I did plant them about 3 to 4 years ago, and they've really spread out. Every year I cut them back in the spring so that the new growth will come up. And this half I have cement, which I planted last year, and it really took off. And slowly the mint's going over here into the lamb's ears. So we have a battle going on. A couple of people said that the mint will win, so we'll see. I do like the lamb's ears because they're very low maintenance. All you got to do is just trim them up in the spring if you want, which I do. I put these rocks along the edge because if not, they just keep on coming out forward. So I just use some scissors, and then I'll blow out all the stuff and I'll show you. Okay, I'm all done with the flower bed and cutting back the lamb's ears. Like I said, I just trim them back as far as I can to the ground, and they'll grow back pretty quick here in the next 3 weeks probably. They start growing. But anyway, so they're all cut back, and I cut back the mint and cleaned out the flower bed really well, and there's all the debris as proof, because that is a lot. You don't realize how much stuff comes out of a little flower bed once you get it cleaned out. Anyway, it's ready for spring, so take every chance and opportunity you have to do a little bit. This only took like 30 minutes, and there we go.